This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by buying an SSL from Namecheap or choose a free option like Let's Encrypt. Next, generate a 2048-bit CSR from your hosting control panel or server. Keep your server hostname, organization, and country ready for CSR fields. Decide on validation method, email validation, or DNS-TXT record, and prepare the required access. If you pick DNS validation, set TTL to 300 seconds for quick propagation. Follow Namecheap prompts to paste CSR and choose validation. If you chose DNS validation, add the TXT record exactly as Namecheap specifies with TTL 300. Wait for DNS propagation and then click Verify in the Namecheap dashboard. If you chose email validation, open the administrative email and click the approval link provided. Once validated, Namecheap will process and issue the certificate for download. Download the certificate files, including the server certificate and CA bundle when the issuance completes. Log into cPanel or your server control panel and open SSL/TLS Manager to upload CRT and the private key. Also install the CA bundle or intermediate certificates to complete the chain. Ensure your web server listens on port 443 and restart the server to apply the certificate. Test the installation using an SSL checker and verify there are no mixed content errors. Finally, force HTTPS with a 301 redirect in htaccess or your server configuration to secure all traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.